So what happens when a real estate mogul tries to buy an entire country? Let's get into it.
It all kicks off with this, a pretty blunt statement to European leaders.
And this wasn't some stuffy meeting. The source says it played out just like a political thriller.
Europe's response? Swift and, well, pretty direct.
That's when things escalated. The real estate offer quickly became an economic threat.
So Europe tries to appeal to their long history together,
But his response basically rewrote the definition of what an ally even is.
you see this huge clash, right? A transactional worldview versus one based on tradition and law.
For Europe, the bottom line was simple. Greenland's sovereignty was not up for grabs.
His take? Sovereignty's great, as long as America gives it the okay.
So, Europe plays its final card. What about international law? But the comeback questioned if law even matters when tariffs are on the table.
At this point, you can just feel the frustration. They had to ask, what do you actually want?
And the answer was surprisingly simple. Greenland, tariffs, and hey, a little praise.
So Europe causes bluff. And what if we just say no?
And his response sounds like something straight out of a season finale.
Which brings the source to this big idea. Global politics is becoming a reality show.
I mean, this quote from the man himself kinda says it all, right? Completely unscripted. So how does the source think this whole show is actually going to end?
The prediction has 3 parts. Europe will give in, Greenland gets leased, and the Nobel Prize stays put.
It really leaves us with one big provocative question about diplomacy today.